Dear viewers, today I am going to solve week 10 programming assignment 1. Here you have to import package. So only if you import java.sql.asterisk, then this program will run. So only one line is necessary for first programming assignment of week 10. If you click on compile and run, then submit, then you will get full marks. Now I am going to solve second programming assignment. So this is second programming assignment. Here you have to create a connection using driver manager class and check whether your connection is alive or not. So in line, this is predefined code. In line number 14, I have used only con variable. Here null is assigned. So driver manager dot get connection, and for database URL, it's already there. It is a string. So then just simply I check if con is closed, then return false, otherwise return true. So this is the code of second programming assignment of week 10. Now this is third programming assignment of week 10. Here you have to debug the code. So code is already there, only you have to put dot asterisk in first line. This part is not there, so only I put dot asterisk, then your code will run. Then fourth assignment is to create a new table named players in SQL database. So first 13 line is already there. Only you have to take a string and write like you write in SQL, like create table players, and this UID of int type, first name of varchar type 45 length, here 45 length is there, last name varchar 45, here 45 is there, and then age of int type. Then you can make primary key also of UID, otherwise you can skip this. Then at last stmt.execute update SQL. So these lines if you write, then your program will run after compile and submit. Then this is fourth assignment. Then fifth assignment is this. Only you have to rename players into sports. So just write string str equal to alter table players rename to sports, and simply write stmt.execute update str. So this is the assignment of fifth assignment of week 10. So this is my GitHub repository. I will give link. You can see codes here. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.